So before going to the definition of set, we should know what is well defined. We should know the definition of well defined. So let us see what do you mean by well defined. When can you say a connection as well defined? For example, I will take a connection. Say connection of beautiful flowers. Collection of beautiful flowers. Okay, so this is the collection. So when can we say that this collection is well defined or not? For example, I will take an object called rose. So rose is the object. Now, by looking at this object, by looking at the given object, can you tell that this object belongs to this collection or not? No, it's not possible because some people like rose. For them, rose is a beautiful flower. But there are some people who don't like rose. For such people, rose is not a beautiful flower. So this object, it may belong to this collection or not. We can't say. We cannot exactly tell whether rose belongs to this collection or not. So such a collection you cannot call it as well defined. So a well defined collection is a collection where when an object is given to you, by just looking at the object, you should be able to tell whether the given object belongs to the collection or not. If you are able to say that clearly, only then we call the collection as well defined. Now I will take another example. Collection of batsmen. Collection of batsmen. Now I take an object called Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. So the given object is Virat Kohli. So the collection is collection of batsmen. Now, does this object belongs to this collection? Yes. You know that Virat Kohli is a batsman. Looking at the object which is given, we are able to tell clearly that the object belongs to the collection or not. Sometimes the object may not belong to the collection. In this case, this object belongs to this collection. But sometimes the object may not belong to the collection. So whether the given object belongs to the collection or not, if you are able to tell it clearly, then such a collection is said to be well defined. Like this, we can take many examples for well defined. So this is the definition of well defined. Now let us see the definition of set. What is set? First of all, a set is a collection of objects. But how about this collection of objects? This collection should be well defined. So a set is a well defined collection of distinct objects. So first of all, a collection, if you take any collection and if that collection has to be a set, then that set collection which you have taken should be well defined and it should be a collection of distinct objects. Only when it satisfies these two conditions, only then we can say that the given collection is a set. Okay, so for example, we denote, say we can take set of natural numbers, set of natural numbers, natural numbers. Then we can take set of whole numbers. Like this, we can take any number of sets. The collection which you have taken, if it has to be a set, then that collection should be well defined and the objects of the collection should be distinct. Only then we can say that the given collection is a set. Now let us see how to denote a set. Normally a set is denoted by a capital letter. For example, say set A is equal to, the elements of the set are shown between the flower brackets. Always we use flower brackets to denote the elements of the set. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash dash dash, which are natural numbers. So A is a set of natural numbers. We denote the set A as capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash dash dash. It goes to infinite. Okay, so always remember the set is always denoted by a capital letter A, and these numbers 1 to 3 natural numbers which you are seeing here are written with comma in between them. Okay, each element. So these members of the set are called elements of the set. Remember this. The members of the set are called elements of the So like this you will write the elements of the set. Now another thing you have to remember is, suppose if any element is repeating within a set. For example, I will take a set C which is a set of whole numbers 0, comma 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, 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 like this. So if you see this set, the number 1 is repeating thrice, the number 2 is repeating thrice, the number 3 is repeating thrice. So when you are writing a set, the elements of the set should not be repeated. Even the elements of the set should not be repeated. So this is the wrong way of writing the set. This is the wrong way of writing the set. Then what is the correct way of writing the set? The same set can be written as C is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, dash, dash. It goes on like this. So remember one thing, the elements of the set should not be repeated. If an element of the set is appearing more than twice, we will write it only one time. This is the condition which you have to remember. Now, suppose if you see this set B, if you see the set B, it contains the letter A. It contains the letter A. So we say that the letter A belongs to set B. So this is denoted like this. A belongs to, if you see this symbol is called belongs to symbol. So this means the letter A belongs to set B. The letter A belongs to set B. And suppose if you take the letter N, the letter N does not belong to set B. So we will write like this. This is called does not belong. This symbol is called does not belong. So the letter N does not belong to set. Write it as this. Otherwise, if it doesn't belong to a set, then you write with this symbol. Okay, this is the way you show whether there is a given element belongs to the set or not. So I hope you like this video. Just don't forget to subscribe my channel and please share this video to your dear friends. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a nice